welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and this one is going to be about a subscription box. So I've been getting the Walmart beauty boxes for about 2 years now, but probably longer, like 2.5 years. I do have a really old video on like one of the first beauty boxes I ever received from Walmart, and I was pleasantly surprised, and you know, I loved everything that was in it basically. And the best part is that they only cost $5. $5. The thing is with these subscription boxes from Walmart is they only come every season. So this one is my winter box. I've been receiving them, like I said, for almost 2.5 years, and every season that I get a new one, I'm always pleasantly surprised, pleasantly happy with everything that's in there, and I do use a lot of the products after the fact of receiving them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I got in this season's Walmart beauty box. Just get into this box. I received it, I want to say maybe like end of January, so we're in almost the 3rd week of February, so 3 weeks. I have not even opened it or anything. Also, if you guys are interested in seeing this eye makeup look, there is or will be a tutorial up on this look. I just filmed it prior to this video, so I'll have that up. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this box. So the difference, I guess, with this box as opposed to like some of the other subscription boxes is that everything that's in this box is sold at Walmart. Sometimes you'll receive coupons in here for the product that they're trying to kind of, you know, market for that season. And also a lot of the items in the box have something to do with the season that they're sending it to you for. So let's go ahead and get in there. Oh, they have some cute wrapping paper. Alright, so let's go ahead and see. It's cute. They usually didn't put like different colored sheets or anything in there. That's really nice. Okay, so this is what's in the box when I just look at it. So let's see the first thing. Okay, so it says Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray Advanced Therapy Ointment. Body spray immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Easy to apply. That's so cool. So it's like a body spray or like lotion in an aerosol form. I think Vaseline, is that the company? Yeah, they have something like that, like a dry spray. Let's see. Wow. It smells literally like Aquaphor. I have a nice glow to the skin now. So like this one. It's bland. That's nice. It's not really greasy or like oily. Let me see if I was supposed to rub it in. Okay. Easy to apply even on hard to reach places like the back. Clinically proven to relieve. Okay, no. Directions. Shake well before use. Hold 3 to 5 inches from the skin and spray evenly to apply. Gently rub into skin as needed. Yeah, so rub it in. I like this. This is cute. So that's the other thing with these boxes. A lot of the time they'll send trial size, but these are so convenient and they do last a while. Like I have little shampoos that they sent over and I use them for the gym. Like put them in my gym bag and I still have them like 2 months later. So that's great. That makes me happy. Oh, okay. Now we have a Dove. So see, it's like a moisturizing box. So for the winter, you know, you probably have drier skin, rougher skin, cracked skin potentially because of the weather. So they try to send you moisturizing items. So this one is the Dove Go Fresh Rejuvenate Body Wash. It's a softer, smoother skin after one shower. So that's what it looks like. Super cute. Can't wait to try this. Unfortunately, I'm not in the shower right now. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. So I was going to say is I'm not in the shower right now, so I can't try it on, but I can update you guys on that in the bottom bar. And this is pear and aloe vera scent. It smells really, really good. Alright, let's see what else we've got. Another moisturizing item. Of course, you need to have a lotion as well as the spray. So this is the Aveeno Moisturizing Lotion. This is Daily Moisturizing Lotion Sheer Hydration. Absorbs in seconds with a powder-like feel. hydrates for 24 hours. That's a big claim to stay hydrated. I wash my hands very often, no matter the season, and I always suffer from dryness around my hands and my elbows, so that's like a big claim. There's a little protective seal, like that much, and we're gonna just put it around my hands, see if I feel a difference. So I personally don't like hand creams or body lotions or anything like that that are really greasy. Like, I don't like the feeling of layers and layers on top of my skin, but I also don't like the feeling of dry, flaky skin. So if this kind of like, you know, rubs in perfectly and it doesn't make me feel greasy or like the icky feeling, I don't know how to explain it, then I'm gonna be really happy with this. So far, like while I'm rubbing my hands, it does not feel greasy. It does feel moisturized. I feel the softness. There's not like that dry weirdness to my skin anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and give that some more time to try it out and see if I really do enjoy it. Let's keep going. Okay, this is interesting. So this is a Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. Shape the curves of your lips with our creamy automatic lip liner. That's really cool. I already have lipstick on, but basically it's showing that for best results, outline outer lip slightly overdrawn to your natural lip line. Fill in, start from the center of your lips and fill in with lip color. So that's what it's showing you to do. Also sent over a lipstick. This is also by Maybelline. It's called Beige Babe. It's a matte lipstick. Oh, this is getting me excited. See, like, I love this. Like, this in New York City probably retails for about $8 to $9, and I got it in a $5 box. Oh my god, it's so creamy. That is, oh my god, so beautiful. Here is the lipstick itself. Such a stunning color. I can't wait to try that. Next, what we have is a purifying, brightening, peeling gel. This is so cool. Okay, it's a, I'm assuming a face mask that's like a peeling gel. It's to refine and clarify.
So it says, So Eyes Purifying Brightening Peeling Gel is formulated with Eco-certified natural cellulose. Known to be rich in moisture, this gentle and effective formula is for all skin types to deliver superb, extra gentle exfoliation benefits with moisture-rich natural cellulose, which is infused with vitamins and fruit extracts to help gently lift dead skin cells and unclog pores to restore skin clarity and radiance. In addition, it allows for improved absorption and efficiency with skincare applications that follow after use.
This is awesome. I love like face masks and face sheets, and I buy a bunch of them all the time. I always stack up. So this is really interesting. I haven't heard of this company. Again, it's called So it looks like that. Alright guys, that's it for my winter Walmart beauty box. Again, if you want to subscribe to this subscription box, I do highly recommend it, especially because it's not a month to month. You're not constantly kind of like hoarding the samples and the makeup products that might come in some other subscription boxes. So this is only $5. It comes 4 times a year per season. I know I already received an email that I'm going to be soon receiving my spring box, so I'm excited for that. This box was a complete hit for me because I think that every single product I will thoroughly use and enjoy. It's not something that I've used before, and I really love that. Like, I love trying new things, and I don't want to, you know, always commit to a full size, and these trial sizes really help me figure out if I want to buy the full size in the future. And then also in this box we got a full size lip liner and lipstick. Like, that's amazing to me. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel to see any future videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!